Here we come to the service elevator at the Encantada Mall in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Kone Series 220, very similar to the main ones, except this has a 2-speed door and is much larger. It says freight elevator. Here it is. Time does not work on this one either. Let's get our cab view. Basic service elevator. Let's go down to 1. Capacity 4,500 pounds. Let's go over to 2. Listen to the motor. No plastic leveling, unfortunately. Go down to 1 again. It's down to 1. We'll do one more ride. ADA compliant phone bill to the car station. This elevator doesn't have a number. This is Series 220 Fixtures. Runs pretty well. Installed in 2003. Let's get one last cab view. And we'll end it up on the 2nd floor. And you'll end it up there. Let's listen one more time to this awesome motor. And here it goes. And that's going to be it.